Assalamu alaikum guys. Hope all of you are doing well. In my last video, I told you guys about DSU Scholarship at University of Milan. So I thought I should tell you guys about admission in University of Milan too, in light of my experience. So let's check which courses, which bachelor's and master's courses are available at University of Milan and how can you apply for them. So without further ado, let's get going. Programs in English. So first bachelor's degree programs. There are only two programs available as you can see. If any one of you is interested in like international politics, law and economics or political science, you guys can go and apply. Single cycle degree programs, international medical school. These are medicine studies of course. And I've already made one general video about medicine in Italy. So I will give the link in the description. Those of you who haven't watched it yet, do watch to have an idea. So now our main focus, master's degree programs. Like even the bachelor's degree programs, the application of bachelor's degree programs is very similar to master's degree programs. So by watching this video, you can have an idea about that too. So let's see how many programs are available. There are many, like in every university this is the case. The more programs in English which are available are for masters. So law, medicine, agriculture and food sciences, science and technology, pharmacy, political, economic and social sciences, humanities. So we will have to select one of these courses to proceed with our video, proceed with our tutorial. There is one course which fascinates me a bit, like which I would have loved to uh, I would have loved to have studied. So let's fake it and apply for its admission. That is management of innovation and entrepreneurship. You can read everything about it here, like the Master of Science in give it a read yourself if you're interested. We will go straight to admission and enrollment. You can see the dates here, like it opened on 15th March and the deadline is 30th June, so you have plenty of time. Let's go to admission application. I'm already logged in, as you can see. You will be not, so you will have to register, which is very straightforward. Just go to the like sign up page, the same way you sign up for everything like Facebook, Instagram and everything else. And it is very straightforward. You only have to choose a username, a password, put in some of your basic information and it's done. So for me it's studenty.unimi.re because I'm already the student of University of Milan. For you, you will have to select external user, which will be one of the options. So if you will have any problem in registering or in logging in, do tell me in the comment and I will guide you specifically, but I hope there will be no problem because it is very straightforward. So let's get going. Here is our application. I have already filled it, so my information is already there. Citizenship Pakistani, then Italian tax code. Most of you will not have a code, Italian tax code, so you have to select without Italian tax code. When you will click it, an automated code will be generated, and just don't worry whatever that code is, just click this and proceed. Then your name, male, female, whatever you are, date of birth, place of birth, country of birth, your basic information. Then proceed. So if your bachelor's is from Italy, then Italian. If it's from any other country, then foreign. So it would be foreign in most cases. So select foreign. Here you will have to select the degree you want to apply in. Like these names in Italian indicate that these degrees are taught in Italian. So let's look for the English one, data science for economics, biotechnology for the bioeconomy, the one I am studying, environmental and food economics. I have to select management of innovation and entrepreneurship. Yes, you can only select one at a time. So right now, the one we want to select is selected. So now click on next. Select your major. Let's go with digital innovation. Quite nice majors there, entrepreneurship, finance for innovation. So next, here you will have to enter your permanent address. So I have already added it, it will be here. So I will not show it to you guys, but of course you can easily add your address. After permanent address, you will have to add your current address. When I was applying, I was in Pisa, so I added that address. I haven't yet updated it. I have updated it in like my personal portal, but not here because I didn't have to. So you can put your Pakistan address here too. The same you put it, the same you put in the permanent address. So next, now you have to tell them that are you already graduated or not. So if you are in your final year, maybe in your like last semester, you will have to select final year student, otherwise graduate. I'm graduate, so I will select it. Click next. So now the declarations. You will have to enter the details of your passport. Select this last option from your foreign passport, then passport number, issued in abroad by consolato consolato of Pakistan, the date of issue when it is expiring. Then select this. It will be like this. You have to select Iona foreign degree. Then add details about it. Like in my case, it was BS Tech Biotechnology. Then you have to add your university. Select the write down the city. But my university is not present here, so I'm having to select this option. Most probably your university will be here, so select it and then click OK. Date of issue of your transcript or degree. You don't, most probably you don't hold an Italian residence permit yet when you're applying, so don't select this and click next. Now the documents which you need to apply. So the mandatory documents are short biography, CV, degree transcript, passport. So this short biography is a new one. I think it is a degree specific document. Like it wasn't required for the degree I'm studying, biotechnology for the bioeconomy. I think of course in biography you have to write about yourself like in a very precise manner, not very long and thorough but effective. So write everything about you, like how you suit for this degree program and why should they give you admission. It can work like a motivation letter because there is no separate requirement for a motivation letter. So this short biography is going to be very crucial in my opinion for your selection. Language proficiency certification is not mandatory. It is never mandatory in University of Milan because it, if you don't have it, they conduct their own language test. SLAM is their language center which conducts English test in case you don't have a certification. So CV is also going to be crucial. Make sure to make a strong one which include like uh, some activities which may strengthen your case, like which are related to management, innovation management and entrepreneurship. So make sure your CV is on the spot. And degree certificate transcript in a single PDF, merge your transcript and degree and upload it. If you don't have your degree yet, then you can attach a hope certificate with 7. And if you don't have a final transcript, then merge the transcripts of all your semesters in a single PDF and upload. And then passport, upload all these documents and proceed. In my case, it will not be proceeded because I have not uploaded the documents. But when you will upload them, it will show you the application summary, and you will have to click the final submit button. When you will submit your application, they will ask you to pay 30 euros application fee, and that your application will be reviewed after you pay 30 euros. Application will be completed, of course, but they will not review it unless you pay them the application fee. So you simply have to go to the link and pay the fee with your credit card, and it will be done. Like, it is very straightforward. Right now I am not telling you specifically how because it is way too easy. But still, if you guys find any difficulties in paying the application fee, do tell me in the comments, and I will be happy to help. And maybe if more students ask, I might make a separate video as a like guide of paying the fee. But I hope like I will not need to make it because it is way too straightforward and you guys should be able to do it. So yes, I think this is it. A very straightforward process for applying admission in University of Milan, and there are many options too. So do shortlist your related ones and go for it. I will highly recommend it because if you have already seen the scholarship video, you know that uh, the University of Milan scholarship is way easy to get than many others. So yes, good luck. See you in the next video. Do subscribe, share, and stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.